An iNews partner, RJ Broadcasting, reported on March 29th the court appeal for Alfonso Rodriguez Jr.'s death sentence could take 4 more years. Rodriguez was convicted of murdering UND student Drew Shadeen in November of 2003. Now, KFGO Radio has obtained a public document, a letter from Rodriguez's defense attorney, Richard Nye, who offered this letter to the court before Rodriguez's months-long trial that convicted him. The letter says, quote, "The purpose of this letter is to inform you that my client, Alfonso Rodriguez Jr., wishes to plead guilty to the crime of kidnapping Drew Shadeen with death resulting as charged in the indictment, and therefore, in this case, he is willing to make a plea without any concessions from the government, except an agreement that the government not seek his death. Mr. Rodriguez is willing to plead guilty to the crime charged, knowing that the sentence he will receive is life in prison without the possibility of parole. He would plead guilty with the understanding that he would not contest a sentence of life without parole in any way and would file no appeal from any of the proceedings in this case. While Mr. Rodriguez acknowledges that a plea would not end the pain caused to Ms. Shadeen's family or his own mother and siblings, a plea would spare both families the agony of a long and distressing trial in this matter. I ask that you consider this offer from Mr. Rodriguez seriously and in the spirit with which it is made. Mr. Hoy and I are, of course, willing to meet with you and discuss this matter at any time." Unquote. That was a letter from Rodriguez's defense attorney, Richard Nye. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.